Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. We are going to review Nasdaq, Dow Jones, SNP500, Russell, and precious commodities gold and silver. We are going to check the important support and resistance level of all of them. Let's go ahead and do the analysis. Let's see the economic calendar. These are the events. Tuesday we have building permits. Wednesday Fed Chair Powell testimony. Thursday also the same. So the major economic events happened last week. That is CPI data as well as FOMC meet. So based on that data, market ran in the last week, and this week we need to understand whether the market is going to go up more, whether market will take some rest and retest, or market may go down. So these three are the possibility. Let's go ahead and start the analysis on the trading view. So this is the first chart, Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100, you can see here, it has given a almost from the bottom, it has given almost the upside of 45%. The bottom was happened in December 2022, and from there it has given a 45% upside. Now, if you see here from the January, we were bullish on the index. This is the January data. You can see January low is almost 10,800. Let's go ahead and see what we published in January month. So you can see here, we always talking about market is looking for Santa rally, and again we are saying that in the January first week, 7th January, all three indices looking for upside of 2.5% to 4%. So you can see here, we were very clear that market is going to give a breakout. See, 2 months back we mentioned that big breakout in Nasdaq 100 is possible. Again, we mentioned that Nasdaq 100, 12,900 to be watched. So we didn't catch the exact bottom, but we catch the major number from where market gave a upside. So we catch the market from here. We didn't catch from that bottom, but we catch from here, because nobody knows where is the bottom and where is the top. So you can see here from 12,900, we almost got the rally of 20%, which is not bad. So let's see what Nasdaq 100 wants to do now. So you can see this is a cup pattern has created on the longer time frame. This orange line is a cup pattern, and in this trend line, you can see here the trend line says that the market made a very big up move from here, and market started from here, make upside, then took support here, made upside, took support here, made upside, didn't come for support, again made upside, didn't come for the support, again made upside, and didn't come for support. So this is a major area, right, where market should come on some day. Like suppose if it goes till this, then slowly it has to come somewhere here, or slowly it has to come somewhere here, because that will give a healthy upside into the market. If it is one way going straight, then definitely that can give a trap for the buyers. So we will wait for the market to retrace. So I will going to give the levels here. This is a day chart. As per me, 15,500 and 15,250 is one range. 15,500 and 15,200 is a 15,250 is one area. If market starts going above 15,500, then I am expecting the target of 15,700, 1,500 and 950. This is the area we are talking about. Okay, if market starts trading below 15,250, then I'm expecting 14,850 and 14,400. Personally, guys, I don't want to be buyer on the index at this point of time, because I think index needs to give some small correction for a good upside, because if you see that market is going straight upway, then that is not a correct sign. Market might give some downside in coming days or coming sessions. Okay, so uh, so these are the targets. For if it stays below 15,250, then 14,850 and 14,400 is the downside target, and upside target as I have already mentioned. So let's go ahead and do the analysis of the next, that is Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, the same thing. Now, Dow Jones has given a big breakout on a long-term trend line resistance trend line. You can see here the blue trend line. Now, what I'm looking for, see, I'm a conservative investor or a trader. I will watch the level where market should stay above that. If it stays above that, then I will enter into the market. So for me now, Dow Jones, 34,900 is a very important level. If it stays above that, then one can look for 35,200 and 35,500. I'm talking about 700 points short term, 600 points upside for the short term time frame. And remember, my friends, if it remains above 34,900, then these two are the very short term targets. Then the next target will be 36,800, which is the all time high. So I would suggest to check if 34,900 is not, I mean, if it gets break, then definitely these two targets. But market, if doesn't go above 34,900, then it has to give one correction for 34,400 and second correction for 34,000. So I'm not saying that it is going to give both support. I mean, it is going to go down for both the targets. It can come to 34,400 and take a U-turn from there like this and then go up, or it can go down, test here 34,000 levels and again start its upside trend. So these are the two possibilities for the upside and the downside. Now we're going to talk about SNP 500. For the SNP 500 and Nasdaq 100 showing a same kind of rally. So SNP 500, you can see here, it was trading in this range, the bigger range first. Okay, this is the bigger range, and then it started trading in the narrow range. Okay, and then this narrow range got the breakout here, and then it continuously went up. All right. So now for S&P 500, I am expecting that one should trade or invest only once it starts trading and sustaining above 4,500. If it sustain above 4,500, then there are three small targets: 4,550, 4,585, and 4,625. On the contrary, if it doesn't sustain above 4,500, then the first target I am looking for 34,000, and second target 4,400, and the second target I am looking for 4,350, and the third target I am looking for is 4,300. These are the downside targets I am looking for S&P 500. And personally, as I mentioned before, I am looking for some correction into the market. But as you all know, market is supreme. Market don't run on my words. Either market can give a full upside till this point and then retest and come down, or market might turn out from here. So we really need to watch, and we need to respect the levels in the market. For Russell, I am very clear. For the Russell, now one resistance zone is created, that is between 1930 and 1900. So one should not trade in this area. If it breaks above 1930, then definitely one can look for the target of 1965 and 2025. These are the two. If it breaks and sustain below 1900, then one should look for the target of 1860 and 1825. So these are the two targets for the upside and the downside. Now we will talk about the precious commodities, gold and silver. Before that, if you think this video is helping you, don't shy to subscribe, comment and like to this video. So for the gold, its chart is same like last week. I have not changed anything in the chart because I am very clear for the gold. I am looking for the level of either 2000 to be crossed for the big upsides like 2050, 2100, and if it's trade and sustain continuously below 1950, then it can come towards the level of 1900, which is mentioned here. 1920 to 1920 will be the support if it breaks 1955, and if it breaks 1900, then we will talk about the downside in the gold, that is about 1875, 1835 and 1800. So currently 2000 to 1950 is a range. If it range breaks into the upside, then these are the targets. If the range break the downside, then 1920 to 1900 is the next support area. From here it can take a upside again, or if it breaks 1900, then you can see this kind of targets. Now we are talking about the silver. Silver chart is also same. Silver, the interesting level to watch is 22.50 to 23.50. This is a important support area. If it breaks below 22.50, this line, then definitely the targets of 21.75, 20.80 and $20 is a possibility. On the contrary, if it stays above 23.50, then the first target is 24.50, which it already done, and then again it came down. But if breaks 24.50 this time, then 25.50, 26.50 are the short-term targets. But I am expecting a bigger target in the silver than this one, because you can see how it has broke the long-term resistance trend line. You can see it has broken that, and it is sustaining above that. So this will be very interesting to watch in the silver. This was all about today, my friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye.